Hey guys, let's get into it. So I have this really peachy looking shade. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I think I should just immediately go in. So I'm using like a pink lipstick. So now let's try. It definitely it takes a bit of bolding, but I think it's just because I don't have the most colorful lipsticks. Let's try and set that with the purple. There's that. Is it cakey? Yes. Is it the worst? No. I'll go with it. Like, I'll accept it, you know? I think for this one, I'm gonna do a different color. So I'm gonna try and pack the yellow on this one. Wish me luck. This could go very wrong. I'm turning it into like a mustardy kind of yellow. It's actually looking quite orange. So now I'm just gonna try and clean that up a little bit. So now what I'll do is I'm going to use glitter because I'm not sure on the direction of this look. I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna use the purple and I'm gonna use the gold. Seems complementary, right? Do you think I should switch them up? Yeah? Just kidding. So I'm gonna do the gold this side and the purple this side. I'm really gonna have to stack the layers on. No, obviously I'm speaking like, my goodness. Okay, so now all I did was basically do like a really small winged liner. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I just added the glitter on. So basically that's what we have at the moment. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some what do you call these things? Where is it? Ah, I had it now. Oh, here. I'm thinking of using like these embellishment stuffs. I don't know what you call these. So I'm gonna add like the stars, small ones in the inner corner and then a few big ones on the end. And what I'm using to apply this is lash glue. Just did it. I have foundation on my pants now. Let's do that. I think I'm applying too much. concealer that's too light. So then we're just gonna slap our foundation, like normal foundation, over this. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish in the shade 330. So now we're just gonna apply the foundation. Let's do that. I'm just gonna sit the way I normally sit my face. I think it's getting to the point where my eyes are starting to burn. At this point, I refer to a TikTok hack, hence me doing the faux freckles. You have to take the product, the eyeshadow, and get it. I want you guys to see. I don't even know if it's gonna show. She said use something else to help tap the product.
Back as well because gravity, obviously, and then it's easier if you use another object to help tap it.
Why are you looking at me? No. So then I'm just gonna tap this in so that it's not so in your face, even though it's already so in your face. You look crazy. So this is the final look, and it's not half bad. Like when I look at it, I don't think it's terrible, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, like, put on your notification, subscribe, you know the deal. Bye guys. Just like it. We've been filming since 8:30, and it's now, what's that? It's now 3. So 8:30 in the morning to 3 p.m. I love that journey for us. I love that journey for us. So please give it a thumbs up, guys. Show some love.